Your crush is avoiding you right now. Okay, let me get connected to energy and मैं आपके सामने ये कनेक्ट करके फिर शफल कर रही हूँ कार्ड. We will going to have our 4 cards here. मैंने अपनी आंखें बंद करी हैं तभी मैं चूज़ कर रही हूँ so that मुझे भी सरप्राइजेस मिल जाए कि क्या क्या आ रहा है. ओके 5 कार्ड निकाल लेते हैं. 1 कॉमन. So we have 5 card here. Okay, so the first one we have is the magician creating. I don't know why this card is coming right now, but something is okay, let me see more cards. Okay, karmic justice, divine protection. Okay, I think your crush is not good for you. And your crush is not avoiding you. It's a kind of you need that distance for yourself, like it's not about the distraction, it's about the good thing or bad thing for you. Like that person is not good for you. That's why the situation ऐसी हो रही है कि आपको वो दूर रखने में मदद हो रही है, you know. So because the karmic justice, the divine protection we have is like you're protecting by the universe or God or the like by yourself even, like आपको protect किया जा रहा है. That's why that person is not good for you. I'm not saying that I'm just saving you, okay. I'm just trying to save you. Like that person is not for you. Karmic justice is about कि कुछ तो मैसेज है जैसे कि कुछ इट्स अबाउट दैट बैलेंस, द बैलेंस बिटवीन लाइक अभी आपको अपनी लाइफ में बैलेंस करने की ज़रूरत है. अभी ये सब करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई नो यू हैव दैट एज दैट वेयर यू वांट टू फॉलो इन लव विद समवन, बट this is not the right time for you. Okay, you need to create something for yourself first. Like if you are feeling very lonely, or if you're feeling like you need to make crush, no, you need to make hobbies. This is the time to create something for you, for yourself. Okay, I got it. मुझे अब समझ में आ गया ये. I got it. This all readings you're protecting by the God. Okay, you need to balance your life. First of all, you need to love yourself more. You need to work more in your life rather than doing such a relationship things, and you need to create something for yourself which is good for you, like which is mentally good for you. It can be art, it can be music, it can be song, it can be hobby, sports. Okay, mera camera, wait a second. Okay, so the 2 card we have is the look. I told you have very strong personality, and because of this one thing you cannot destroy yourself. Okay, you need to focus on yourself. You need to more create about something good for yourself. You need to invest something today for rebuilding for your future self, I think, or rebuild something new. Secret admirer. Okay, the secret is admire is not about that someone. It's about कि if कोई आपके लिए अच्छा है, no worries कि वो कहीं भाग नहीं रहा है. ठीक है, वो मिल जाएगा आपको. And secret admirer is about कि it's not about your crush thing, but it's about कि कोई आपको देख रहा है. आई थिंक वो पर्सन आपके लिए ज़्यादा बेहतर है इस पर्सन से. वो आपको आपकी लाइफ में बैलेंस करवाने में भी हेल्प करेगा, लेकिन वो सिर्फ एडमायर करता है आपको, वो फीलिंग्स नहीं है. बट ये पर्सन बहुत अच्छा है, ये दूसरा पर्सन है. सो मुझे ये वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. यू हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनैलिटी राइट नाउ. यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन इन योर लाइफ मोर रेदर देन इन बीइंग in a relationship things. So this is the reading coming for you, and you are protecting by the God or the universe or the divine protection. This is your this is a reading coming for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. So your crush is not avoiding you, you are avoiding your crush.